that? I've heard about this house, but never been able to find anything online about it. I hear that you can rent it out as a holiday weekend or a holiday week, but I haven't been able to get any information about who it belongs to, how much it costs, and if that's a true story at all. And it's a beautiful old house, isn't it? The old house, see the new houses over the back, the old shed. Beautiful old house. Beautiful stand of pine trees. The old corrugated roof. It would be interesting to get some information, find out how old it is, and there should be. The old outback dunny, oh there it is. The old outhouse, just out the back there. Means you've got to get out of bed, go out of the back door, wander down in there, hope there's nothing in there, do your business and head back into the house. And the missus won't let you in bed because you're cold and your feet are wet. Oh, that must have been the days, eh, Jack? Well, I'm surprised on this battery. It's taken us about half an hour to walk here, and it was only on 45%. Last time I looked at the battery level, it was showing empty, but it's still going. I've got another one in my pocket. I don't panic. Oh, a bit of machinery. What's that? It's a winch. Jack, why would they have a winch? There you can see the river. Jack's going for a drink. Is it drinkable, Jack? Not sure. He had a lick and then oh, a big bird's nest, I don't know. As the sun is shining on the lens. Excuse my hand. But just about halfway up there's a nest. Looks like a big nest. Right, what's this winch for? Let's have a look. So I'd love to be able to find out the history about this place. Be a good restoration project. Oh, the teeth are a bit worn away. Why was it here? Oh, there's a railway line. 2 railway lines, there's one just under the water there. So I'd say with this cleared out of the way, all this stuff, that would be a great place to launch a boat, a barge. But I didn't know, I don't think this is navigable from here downstream to Oyster Harbour. We shall find out in subsequent episodes. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little flight. If you watched the last video, you'll see that we're almost back at the same spot. Around where the centre of the page is, where the centre of the video is roughly where we turned around last week. And we'll turn around again this week because I'm getting at the limits of my visual sight of the drone. But we'll fly back down the river and we'll see if it is possible to run a barge or a small boat down the river to deliver wood or whatever that launching ramp was for. Let's have a look. You can see we're almost back to the takeoff spot, and in the top right hand corner you can see the nest. We didn't fly near the nest just in case there's any young ones in, and we may disturb them a little bit and the parents might not come back. It looks like there's a bend in the river here to the right. We'll see how far we can get. We may be able to have a peep around the corner. If not, we can come back another day and from the other direction we'll approach and see if we can get videos coming the other way. I'm walking along down the river now and I can still just see the drone. Might just be able to get to this split here where it looks like there's a bit of an island. We'll have a quick look and I think we'll have to head back. I'm getting too far away now. It's getting difficult to see the drone. I might see if I can get a bit of height here. Depends on the wind that's coming over the top of the trees. But at least I can see the drone if it's against the sky rather than against the trees. Ah well, wish me luck. Now someone's got nice views of the river. Lucky buggers. Yeah, I think I'm going to head back. It's not worth the risk. We'll head back up the river and hopefully when we get some nice weather we'll head back to the river but approach from the other direction and get the rest of the river so you can see the whole thing from bridge to bridge. Well, Jack and I really enjoyed making this video for you this week. And as always, please remember to like and subscribe, and please leave comments, good or bad, as it really helps the channel to get bigger. So until next time, we'll say goodbye for now from Jack and I. See you, bye.